Alright YouTube, so I did 2 videos on this already about this radio for your MDX. When you get this radio, you're going to see that it says it's only compatible with the ones without the HHD. The reason for that is that in 2010, the harness that is used for the navigation screen changed. So 70809 right here, this black plug. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 changes to this 28 pin gray plug. It looks like this. When you get this mess of harnessing, this one you're going to be like, oh, this is for the screen. It's not the right size. You're like, oh, this one's for the screen. It's not the right size. So this harness you end up reusing. I'll show you exactly where. Give me 1 second. So that's this harness right here. I'm in the process of unpinning it. When you get it, these RCAs are going to be in the wrong location, so you're going to have to unpin them and repin them. I'm going to tell you exactly where you're going to add them to. You're going to need a small depinning tool like this one. It's got to be very flat, very small. You're going to find this on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. You're going to unpin this. You can see I'm already taking this pin out because that's where I need to put a pin. So right there, that pin comes out, and the way they come out is going to be really hard to show you on camera, but I'll try my best. You see that little tab that's raised up? And come on, focus up. No, it doesn't want to focus up. Just gonna put my finger behind it. Yeah, there you go. Those little metal tabs, that one that's folded down. When you push in this slot, where'd it go? When you push in these slots, the bottom row, let me put my tool there. So when you push in this tool like this, you bring that little tab that I was showing you down, and that's what releases the mechanism. And then you're able to slide them out the back. We're going to need to shift these brown wires around so we can put these in the correct spot. And you can see, looking at this way, this is the way the connector goes. So my white is going to go in that slot that's empty. Right next to that, it's going to go my ground. And then below that, in this slot right here, this bottom, right where my thumb is going to go my right, which is going to be my red. So you're going to have to repin this guy, and then you're going to have to find a 28 pin connector to either wire or pin yourself. This customer sent it to us. We do this for customers because we sell the backup camera retention harness, which uses this same plug. So I'm going to take this harness that is the power plug for that Android screen and create my own harness with the stuff we have here. So the customer gets to keep their backup camera, the radio will actually power on and work, and then we're repinning this so that they can get their audio back. With the 28 pin connector and our harness, we're going to make a power harness that works for that screen in this year MDX, and then by repinning this, we're going to give audio to the factory radio. The only thing that's missing here is this comes with a long brown wire, and this is to keep your steering wheel controls. Your steering wheel controls are still going to work the factory system. They're not going to work the new screen. So keep that in mind. If you want them to work the new screen, you're going to have to wire tap this brown wire into the factory wiring that plugs into the back of the radio. And what you're going to wire tap there is right here, audio remote. So this orange wire. So you're going to go brown to orange, pin 16. It's a very thin wire, so it's going to be tough, but it is possible. If you don't care about having the steering wheel controls work the Android radio, then don't worry about it. They're always going to continue to work, and they're going to work the factory radio. So I'm going to get started with this harness. I just wanted to explain it to you all because this is something we get a lot where people buy this radio. They buy it for a 2010, 11, 12. It doesn't work, and they reach out to us, and this is what we end up doing. So if you're in this situation, you want to fix this yourself, you're going to need a 28 pin plug, and then I'll show you what mine looks like when it's done so you can copy it. If you rather have us do this, you're going to place an order for a harness for a backup camera retention. I'm going to show you the link at the end of the video. I'm going to put it in the description as well. And then you're going to send all your stuff to us. We'll repin it, send you the right stuff, and then everything will work. Plug and play, you'll be good to go. So at the end, this is what you're going to have. It's going to be white, then black, then all your browns, and on the bottom, you're going to have red, gap. Sorry. On the bottom, you're going to have red, then a gap, then a brown. That brown you're going to have to pin in and add. And on this end, you'll have 4 empty spots, and that's perfectly normal. you're going to end up with an extra brown wire that you don't use for anything, so don't worry about it. So this is the harness now. This will plug into your radio, and this is what used to plug into the radio, and then you're going to run these RCAs up to the screen and then plug them into this right here under audio out left, audio out right. You'll match these to these, and then that's how you'll get sound to the factory radio. So this harness is now complete. We repinned it the right way. Now this harness you're not going to use at all, so you can just discard this. Alright YouTube, so here's our harness. This is how the wiring comes out. So what you're really worried about is yellow, red, black, orange. So that's the power, ground, and illumination. They're on your far right edge. Then we have our camera wires. So this is what we normally sell. It's the adapter to convert power from 12 to 6, and then the RCA to plug into your radio. So altogether, this will make this new Android radio plug and play. This is for your backup camera, power for the backup camera. This is the steering wheel control lead if you want to do the wire tap to keep the steering wheel controls. And then this is the power plug that's going to go into the radio. And that's it. If you're looking for this, we can make this for you. Again, this one won't fit. If you have a 2008, 2007, 2009, you're fine with this. 10, 11, 12, 13, you're going to need this.